Morning guys. This morning this little bike is due a service, a 600-mile service. So I'm off to Two Wheels in Edinburgh and let's get the bike serviced and see how much it costs, and we can take it from there and I can report back to you guys on the expense of its first service for 600 mile. Let's see how long it takes me to get into Edinburgh. It's now 8:30. As I said, it's due a service at 8:45. I don't know if they're punctual or not. Guys, stop waiting on the bus stop, get yourself a bike. It's so much more convenient other than sitting there in the rain. Mind you, I'm driving in the rain. Well, it's drizzle. But you know what I mean. Just take my time with these roundabouts because it could be a bit slidey under the tyre. Get myself to the position on the right here. One bonus, it's not cold this morning. Look at that mist on that hill across there. Isn't that cool? Mist over the Pentland Hills, very nice. Just while we were driving on this boring road, just check that coming. I'm actually in the marketplace to get myself a video camera. My daughter's got a wedding coming up on the 20th of this month, and nobody's got a video camera to film it, so I'm actually looking for one at the present moment. I don't know whether I should get a cheaper one or a decent one, or even if you get a cheaper one, I believe you still get good footage on it. Do I want 4K? Do I require that? Or is 1080p just good enough for me? That's all the things I've got to think about. I was actually looking at, I think they call it a Sony, no, I'm not sure if I'm right, but I think it's a Sony NX53. Now, there's one that you get, a standard one, which is £749, or you can get the more expensive one, which comes with a battery pack and a bag for £800. Still a lot of money, right guys? Still a lot of money to pay for a camera. But you can get a cheaper one for around about £129, 1080p. And I bet you it's kind of alright. Because as well, I thought, after the wedding, what do I do with it? I mean, I could take it on the bike with me, like for blogging. But do I want a really expensive one to go in the, like to keep in my backpack on the motorbike or something? That's what I have to think about. Guys, time check, 8:38. I've got to be there by 8:45. I don't suppose it'll matter if I'm 5 or 10 minutes late, right? I mean, it's not as if I'm going to get docked for it, is it? Or kept back in class. You're late this morning going to your service. You have to stay here all day. You maybe get the better view now of Arthur's Seat as we approach it straight on. Stay there, buddy. Stay there. Good girl. $8.40, by the way. Time check, 8:40. Blair Drummond Safari Park. I was taken there, Blair Drummond Safari Park when I was a kid. And that was, let me tell you, a few years ago. Can't remember if I enjoyed it or not. I think I had fun. I can remember a big slide I used to go down. Big massive slide. It was like a, what we call a flume. Yeah, I think it was fun, now I remember. Traffic blues, eh? Traffic blues. Do you think we should have a look about the motorbikes as well while we're down here? I'm actually quite curious of this monkey bike that Honda's brought out. I've just seen it on the YouTube on the internet, but I've never actually seen it in person, in real life, let's say. So we might have a look around the shop and see what they've got. Not that I'm in the market for buying. Hello. You look so fed up, don't you? Almost there, guys, almost there. It might be actually quite cool to have a wee look at some bikes, wouldn't it? Have a wee look around. Just to make it clear, I'm going to a motorcycle shop called Two Wheels off Edinburgh. This is actually where I bought this bike from. I'll have to move in here to the left here. Force my way in. We done it. We done it. It's actually just up here on the right hand side. And it's 8:44, guys. We might actually do it at 8:45. Now that's been very punctual, isn't it? We're on. Did you know that?
I've got it on the machine here.
How did you know what bike I was driving? Did I say my name?
It's the new Honda 125.
It is, aye.
Yeah,
That's,
your boss is here.
yes, I did, aye.
First service.
Yes, that's
Right,
correct.
we'll get that done now.
Thank you. Do you know what, guys? Let's go and get a nice hot cup of coffee. Or hot chocolate. Nah, I think we'll go for coffee. I don't know. Hot chocolate coffee? Never tried her coffee. Tried the hot chocolate. Hot chocolate's always nice. Shall we have a look at this wee Honda monkey bike as well while we're here? Just as well, aren't we? Yes, it does. Awesome. What will I get? Hot chocolate. 38. Go for hot chocolate. I was going to go for coffee, but I've changed my mind. Hot chocolate is. I really don't know. But what I do know is that this. Oh, I see it. See how cute this is. There we go. It looks like it's been out in a test. How cute is that? What a cute little bike, isn't it? Don't know if this camera's picking up or not. But there she is. There's the new Honda monkey bike. And she's looking really nice. Nissan brakes. Is it Nissan? No. Yeah. Yeah, it is Nissan. Nissan. I don't know if it's Nissan or Nissan. Nissan back caliper. And I presume it will be a Nissan front caliper. I think it is. Nice forks. Nice little engine. Lovely exhaust. I like this airbox type thing. Don't know if it is an airbox. I don't know what you call that. It's so cute. Look at that big comfy seat as well. What price is it? £3,699, guys, for a monkey bike. It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? I don't know if I like it in yellow though. I'm not a great fan of yellow bikes. I like the cool sign there saying monkey. Oh, that is cool, I like that. Very nice. Alright. This is my old bike, believe it or not. Still looking very nice. Another little bike I quite fancy getting myself is one of these Honda Groms. I think they look fantastic. Let's have a look, see what the price is they're going for now. A little Honda Grom. Oh, just slightly under £3,000 you can get one. I think I would prefer the white one. It's actually quite good because like last year when I was looking at them, they were like right about 3,500. But that's a drop of what, 500 quid? Very nice. They look so cute as well, don't they? Oh, attention to detail Honda have, don't they? The MX125. So it's your choice, guys. What do you prefer? Do you actually prefer the Honda Grom, or do you prefer the little monkey bike? Let's go and have a look at it again. There she is. That's almost £700 more, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so cute. Nice tyres on it as well. Very nice. What's the headlight? I think it's got the same, no, I don't know if that's the same headlight as my bike, I'm not sure. But I like the sign saying monkey. So cute. Is that my bike in, yeah, that's my bike in, same bike as I've got, but I've got in the red version. Right guys, might as well head out and do something. Go for a wander. Well, hello there. I'm still sitting waiting outside Service Centre. Waiting for the bike to get serviced. Due at 8:45. And it's now, well, probably 10 o'clock, and I bet they've not even looked at it yet either. So this is me sitting here with no mates, by myself, on a bench, outside Service Centre. Everybody looking at me, giving me strange looks when I'm talking to a camera, as everybody's passing me. Now, if looks could kill, the look I got of her was terrible. I don't care. Anyway, sitting here with no mates, waiting for my bike to get serviced.
I'll catch back to you shortly, guys, and tell you the story.